So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in this video you will see how to copy data from ADLS storage into in Blob storage. In the last video you watched that how to copy data from Blob storage into in ADLS. Now in this video you will see how to copy data ADLS to Blob. Okay. In ADLS I created source container. In source container you can see there are 5 files. Okay, I will copy these all 5 files into in Blob storage account. In a sync container we will copy all the files. You can see sync container is empty. Okay, in a Blob storage, but in a source container in a ADLS account you can see there are 5 files. These all 5 files will be copied into in Blob storage. We will copy these files using ADF. Okay, in ADF you can see we have an copy data activity. I already discussed about these all things. Okay, in copy data activity I will give the name like ADLS to Blob. We are copying data from ADLS to Blob, so I give the name of ADLS to Blob. Here I can also give, and here you can see the name ADLS to Blob. Okay, now I will click on this. Here you can see source option. In source option there is one option is showing. Okay, in a source data set we have to create first data set. Okay, click on new. I'm going to create. So here I will select Azure Data Lake Gen 2. Okay, because I going to copy data from ADLS account into in Blob. So I'm copying from ADLS. Then I will select an ADLS. Okay, and click on continue. Here I will select an delimited text. Okay, now I will give the dataset name. Okay, dataset DS source. Okay, and ADLS. Okay, in a link services I will create a link services. In link services I already created a link services like ls ADLS source. Okay, but I'm going to create new. Okay, you can see link services source ADLS. Okay, here you can see Azure subscription. My subscription is free trial. Okay, storage account name I will select ADLS storage account name. Here my files is exist. Okay, click on that. Now I will click on test connection. Okay, it's successfully I will create. Now here you can see file path. Here I have to give the file path where my file exists. Okay, I will click on the folder icon here and I will select source because my files exist in source. Now just I want to copy only one file. Then what I will do, I will click on that file and I will click on OK. But now I don't want to copy only one file. I want to copy all these files. Then what I will do, click on only source container. Okay, and after that here you can see all the set. I will click on OK. Now here you can see file path type. Here I will select wildcard file path. Okay, here I have to give star symbol. Okay, that's mean asterisk symbol. Okay, so asterisk symbol represent that ki all files will be copies. Okay, like if we have a txt file, pdf file, excel file, word file, all files will be copied. If a json file we have, then all files will be copied if I will give only asterisk symbol here. Okay, now I will click on sync. In a sync I have to create a blob. Okay, dataset creating here, delimited text. Now we'll create dataset sync. Okay, blob. Now I will click on link services, create a new link services sync blob. Okay, here I will select free subscription and Azure storage account. I will select here Azure Blob storage account now. Okay, and test connection. and create. And again, I have to select the container. Okay, sync container. I want that all the files will be comes in sync container. Okay, then okay again. Now everything is done. Now I will do click on publish all, so that will be saved. Okay, it is publishing, deploying changes to the factory. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so what I will do, click on debug. You can see publish completed, debug. Okay, now my pipeline is running. Here you can see status of pipeline, like activity name, ADLS to blob, activity status, you can see, and activity type, run start, duration, integration runtime, and all the things you can see here. Activity run ID. Okay, you can see it is succeeded. Okay, now you can see I have a sync container in blob storage where I copied all the files. Okay, sync container I'm clicking. Here you can see all the files has been copied successfully. Okay, from source to sync. Okay, so guys, this is all about for this video. We will meet in next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you did not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.